Hey, to change wallpaper on the Xiaomi Watch S3, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you can just grab your watch, then click and hold with your finger on your watch face, and now when you swipe to the left or to the right side, you can actually find the different wallpapers, right? But that's only a few default wallpapers, but if you want to get the custom one or additional, you can also get them by going into the Mi Fitness application on your phone. Now go into the Manage Watch Faces. From this you can actually download the recommended watch faces. So for example, if I want to get, for example, this watch face, I have to click on it and then tap Apply. Now after a few moments I will get this watch face right here straight on my Watch S3. And if you want to get the custom one, you have to click on the My Watch Faces. Oh, that's my bad actually. You have to actually go one more time to the watch faces and select custom one, and from this pick one of the following preset, like for example the custom postcard. And then when you, okay, never mind, that's not here, maybe let's get this one. Okay, so that's weird because actually we cannot set the custom one. Maybe when we go for the custom digital. No, still for some reason I cannot find this function. So yeah, so maybe on this watch we cannot actually set the custom watch faces. That's actually weird, but that's actually the few ways how we can change wallpaper on this watch. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.